Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Get it! Okay, there we go. I did it. I did. I heard there's a new update. I'm a day late. But I definitely didn't play yesterday. I just forgot to make a video. I'm stupid. So that's new. That's the same, I think. Yeah. Yeah. Let's test out the new update. I don't think I used the hover pad really. I always use the grappler. Yeah, I'm just gonna go barefoot. Whoa. So I think you have to go all the way up there. After you get up there, you win. So yeah, this is going to be a fun video of me getting up here. You guys should come and test out the update too. Pretty fun. Oh, is that where you're supposed to go up? I'll try. I'm gonna try. Yes, I did it! I think there's a new level up here. Or it's the finish line. If I don't get up on the roof, I'm restarting. Bro! Alright. I'm gonna restart. If I don't make this. Hold on. I'm gonna get a boost. I'm gonna get a big boost. But I kinda wanna do restart. Oh, no way I made that. Bro, my headset's overheating when I just got on. I'm restarting. Alright, guys. I'm going to grab a hoverboard and I'll meet you back here. Alright, guys, I'm back. I brought a friend with me. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Cooper. I am this guy's buddy. So
You
yeah,
don't gotta do all that. You can be.
I'll be in his video today.
Yep. So his name is Cooper.
Why the frick is it so dark in here?
I don't know. Alright, we're gonna beat this, alright? Okay. Guys, I think we got this with a friend here. So yeah, let's go. That's the first video that I have a friend with. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna try, I mean, did I already say this, but we're gonna try to beat this whole thing. And there's a secret I forgot to tell you, but I'm gonna tell you.
I beat this with Clayton before, like 20 minutes ago.
Nice. We are going to beat this, and I forgot to show you something that I did today, and it's gonna be really surprised. They're gonna think like, you didn't tell? Well, yeah, I didn't. Because it's a surprise. Always bring a hoverboard.
You can make it from. I'm right here.
We've been doing this for 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Are you here? Alright, let's go. Oh shoot, I hate this one. It's like the pyramid one.
Yeah, it's the fours lava.
Wait, time out. Wait for this to go. This is how you play Fortnite, guys. The Fortnite. This is how you play Fortnite. Bro, be careful.
We can hover over this.
Remember, we have the reviving system. Oh, that's why you always have a grappler with you. Alright, so this is what you guys want to do. I think you guys want to, like, just do this. Come on, bro.
Send it.
Send it! No way we just send that! Is there something? Okay. Because I didn't think we were going to make it. Woohoo!
Okay, me and Clayton have beat this before. How many times have you beaten this, dude?
None.
Okay, the laser level is the hardest.
It's also the last level, I think.
Yeah, it is. It is the last level, too. They make the last
Oh, we went the
level
wrong way.
hardest. It doesn't really matter, though.
Oh my god, I'm speed running this whole thing.
Bro, for real.
Also make this. I no way I did that.
Where are you?
I'm coming. Where are you? Oh my god, you're all the way up there. I dropped my hoverboard! I dropped my hoverboard, so I had to restart. I'll be up there in a little bit. Can you please wait?
I'm waiting.
You can come back down and do it again with me. Yeah. I went the wrong way again. Oh, we came back down. Yo, come beat it with me again. Cause I keep pressing like the hoverboard thing, and then I accidentally dropped it. This is why you always
Yeah,
have
that
a hoverboard.
happens to me.
If you guys are not
I
using
chucked my hoverboard
again.
once. With Clayton, I chucked my hoverboard.
Oh, I thought you chucked
With
it back
Clayton,
right
I
now.
chucked my whole entire hoverboard.
That's why you always got a hoverboard. To make the craziest jumps ever. Oh god! I thought I almost dropped my hoverboard. Some parts you don't need it. You dropped your hoverboard.
I know, I don't really need that one.
I only buy one because I don't want to be poor.
Well, I'm not poor. I've 1.18 mil.
The problem, guys, the problem that I'm going so fast is that it's a secret at the end.
No!
He fell. Did you fall?
Yeah.
Bruh. Alright, should I wait for you? I'm gonna wait for you because you're gonna be a part of the video.
I got my other hoverboard back.
Alright, I'm gonna wait. God, that's so fun. I'm scared. What's this next level? Oh! I saw on YouTube it's the space level.
Okay, I'm working my way up.
So yeah, he's my friend, and he's in my school. I'm not telling you my school because I'm like gonna be telling you where I am, and why would I do that? Cause you're gonna stop me. And yeah, so me and him go to the same school. We're pretty good friends. My friend is on my list. He almost here. He's here. Okay. So the secret, remember that secret at the end. Alright, let's go.
This is the
The space level! I love this level?
This level's the easiest level.
Of them all?
Yes.
Oh my god, just look at that.
Okay, so you come in here. Go up.
Bro, I just... No. Nope.
Did you fall?
I fell once, and then I saved myself. Alright, I'm in the spaceship. I'm out of the spaceship. Let's go. The laser level's I feel which is the hardest. Wait, no. The laser level's not the last. There's a construction map, I think, after the laser. Hello, where are you?
I'm past the construction.
Bro, you wait for me.
I am.
Oh wait, no, this might be the construction. I'm coming. I'm in construction. I'm going to beat it. He's so fast. I'm a furry sub.
There's only one spot to go.
I'm coming. I can see the exit of the construction.
Oh, I see you. I'm right here.
So laser man.
Wait, bro, talk real fast.
Hello?
You sound. You're in second grade, right?
Yeah. Don't tell anyone.
You freaking sound like like fourth grader.
Do you not tell anyone?
Oh wait, it's this one.
Only my YouTube channel can hear that. And my friends. Oh, imagine being big. Whoa, wait, what? I found a secret part. I found a secret part. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, what? Did I beat it? I beat it! Let's go! What's up there? There's still more parkour. Did I beat it?
Yeah.
Did I beat it? Let's go.
Yeah, I bet I beat it. You beat it.
Hey guys, you know why I only got that? Because I already beat the game. I just did it. I did it today, this morning, but I forgot to record it. And yeah, so I did it. Let's go, baby. Alright, how are we supposed to die now? I'm gonna go die by the lasers.
No, don't die.
Alright guys, I'm dying by the lasers. And now I died! Oh. Is this a ghost? Whoa, my doofy ghost. I'm respawning now. So the secret was I played yesterday. So I already knew about the whole update and I just forgot to record. So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry. And I hope you guys have a good video. And I hope my friend also has a good video. Did you have fun? Yeah, so I hope you guys had a good day. Wait, I forgot to test.
What did?
Hold on. Do you want to test out the ghost?
Oh yes. I know
So
glitch
guys,
where
the
you can
ghost,
fly.
the ghost is really cool.
I
So,
know glitch where you can fly.
so yeah, there's a glitch. All right, yeah, take me to the glitch. I know what the glitch is. So you put yourself in here after you die, or you can fly, and then you respawn with your buttons. So I'm gonna respawn real quick. All right, I'm respawning, and then you can fly,
Reviving your floating.
and you can fly. It's pretty cool. And then the
I'm
way
gonna
you
kill.
die, and then the way you die is just get an explosion and hooray! Oh. Now I'm just gonna respawn. And yeah, hope you guys had a good day. Hey, come here. Come on. And you're allowed to revive your friends if you're doing this.
Yeah.
All right, come here and let's end the video off.
Just your health.
Is at
Like 1.
All right. Hey, okay, what? All right, guys, see ya. You didn't get out.
Bye.
I thought you were gonna get out.
Ah. Huh?
You didn't get out. Get out.